Hey folks, yet another chilly day across the valley with light rain and drizzle much of the day, and the light rain and drizzle will last most of the night. These are the current temperatures. Still only 38 in Weslaco, 40 in McAllen and Edinburg, 38 in Rio Grande City, 41, 42 across Cameron County. Here's what it feels like when you add the wind in. It feels like it's in the 30s, but at least the feels like temperatures are now in the mid 30s instead of the actual temperatures. So that's a sign we're coming up slowly but surely. And I think we've almost bottomed out for tonight. Our lows upper 30s, maybe 40 in a few spots. So a very mild night across the region tonight compared to the last couple. Freezing will not be an issue tonight. And then tomorrow we warm up a little, but not a lot. At least we're back in the 50s for the first time in a few days. And showers will linger through at least the middle part of the day and then taper off probably after that. But high temperatures in the 50s rather than the 30s and low 40s. The normal for this time of year is 71. Tomorrow we're 53. Then look at Saturday, 72, and Sunday 80. What a change over the period of just a couple of days. Not going to break any records, but we're climbing back to above average once again, and certainly re-put those overcoats back in the closet for a while. Here's your radar map, and it shows the significant precipitation along the coast, some light stuff back in the upper valley. Even back where it's showing no precipitation, there's some light mist falling, extremely light, little tiny drops falling on your windshield, keeping the road slippery. Future Track says tonight we continue to see patchy clouds and we continue to see a few showers. But by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, that stuff begins to break, but doesn't go completely away. Then I think Saturday we start with clouds, but as the day goes on, the clouds thin out, and by afternoon we start to warm temperatures up. Winds back out of the south for the first time in a while, and once that happens, temperatures climb back up in the 70s. Sunday, I think we see even more sunshine. We see more of a wind out of the south, and temperatures climb into the low 80s as you saw on Sunday. So pretty big change coming courtesy of kind of returning to our normal southerly wind flow. Chance of rain tomorrow stands about 50%, especially early, and then Saturday, maybe some leftover stuff early. Then we should be dry on Sunday. Across the rest of Texas tonight, we're now one of the cooler places in the state. In fact, we're the coldest temperature on that map. 40 here. You go, oh no, there's Houston at 37, but everybody else in the 40s right now. So we've got the clouds. Lots of Texas saw some sunshine today. You can see, especially up in North Texas, a little band of rain moving across the southern part of the state in response to a little upper disturbance. That's about it. That stuff lingers through tonight into tomorrow and then fades away late tomorrow into Saturday, and by Saturday afternoon you start to see some sunshine. Then we go warm for a couple of days. Our next front due early next week could cool things off again. By the middle part of the week could bring the chance for showers back in, but at this point it doesn't look anywhere near as cold as what we've been the last few days. Highs probably in the 60s rather than the 80s by the middle, or 30s rather, by the middle part of next week. You look at Future Track, if you're traveling tomorrow morning, San Antonio is 37 with clouds and showers early. Dallas is 33, Houston's 37. By afternoon, the state warms up, 40s and 50s across the eastern part of the state, 60s across the Panhandle. They'll actually be one of the warmer places up in Amarillo and Dalhart and places like that. At our coast in the morning, 49 degrees, northwest winds at about 12. UV index is low, the rip current risk is high. The surf temperatures dropped all the way to 50 degrees. That is cold water in the surf. The bay is at 47, even colder with a moderate chop. Seas 3 to 5 feet there. The tide's a low and a high. So for tonight, temperatures don't go much of anywhere. Cloudy and cold, drizzle, light rain, pretty much steady temperatures. Winds out of the north-northwest, relatively light. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy with some more light rain. Up to 53, not exactly warm, but warmer than it's been. A light northwesterly wind at about 5 to 10. Look at that, 72 on Saturday, 80 on Sunday. Then next week, the next front comes in. We do cool things off a little bit, give us a chance for a few showers by the middle part of the week, but 68, 63, 65, a whole lot warmer than what we've been the last 3 days. And the bottom line for tomorrow, another chilly day. The weekend, we warm things up. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.